Have you ever looked at a massive mountain and before you even took a single step, you felt completely exhausted? Big financial goals can feel exactly like that. We throw around massive phrases, getting entirely out of debt, building a six-figure savings account, achieving total financial freedom. The numbers are so incredibly big, and the distance between where you are right now and where you want to be feels so vast that you just freeze. You stare at your bank account screen, and a dark cloud of overwhelm settles over you. You think to yourself, what is the point of saving $10 this week when I'm $30,000 in debt? What is the point of trying when the finish line is a decade away? This paralysis at the starting line is a deeply painful place to be. It drains your energy and steals your hope. You desperately want to change your life, but the sheer size of the goal makes it feel impossible to even begin. Let me tell you about Maria. Maria was a hard worker. She was smart, capable, and deeply wanted to build a secure life for herself. But Maria was carrying the heavy weight of $40,000 in student loans and credit card debt. Her ultimate goal was to be completely debt-free, but every single time she looked at her financial spreadsheet, she felt a tight, sickening knot in her stomach. Month after month, she made her minimum payments, but the needle barely seemed to move. She felt like she was trying to empty the ocean with a tiny teaspoon. Eventually, the frustration became too much to bear. Maria stopped opening her bank statements. She felt entirely stuck and deeply discouraged. She started to believe that she was just bad with money, and she lost all her motivation because she felt like she was failing every single day. Maria was waiting for a miracle. She thought she needed a massive promotion or a giant windfall to finally make a dent in her problems. But then, one random Tuesday evening, everything changed. Maria didn't get a massive raise. She didn't win the lottery. Instead, she made one tiny, almost invisible decision. She sat down, opened her bank app, and noticed a streaming subscription she hadn't used in months. It was just $15 a month. In the past, she would have ignored it, thinking $15 wouldn't make a dent in a $40,000 debt. But this time, she hit the cancel button. And then, she took that exact $15 and immediately transferred it as an extra payment toward her credit card. Just $15. But the moment the screen said, "Payment successful," something profound shifted inside her. The heavy, suffocating weight in her chest lifted just a fraction. She didn't magically wipe out her massive debt, but in that single moment, she took her power back. That $15 was not about the math, it was about the mindset. It was a spark. It was undeniable proof that she was capable of taking action. Her despair shifted to a glimmer of hope. She realized she didn't need to move the entire mountain today. She just needed the strength to pick up one single stone. This powerful shift is exactly what needs to happen in your own life. We have been sold a lie about how success works. We are taught that we need a massive surge of motivation to finally start making progress on our goals. But human psychology works in the exact opposite direction. Motivation does not create progress. Progress creates motivation. When you stare at a massive financial goal, your brain simply gets overwhelmed and shuts down. It goes into survival mode. But when you achieve one tiny, manageable win, your brain releases dopamine. It feels incredibly good. It builds psychological momentum. A small win changes the way you see yourself. You stop viewing yourself as a victim who is drowning in financial stress, and you start seeing yourself as a capable person who is taking control of their destiny. Confidence is not born from having $1 million resting in your bank account. Real, unshakable confidence is born from making a small, positive choice today and proving to yourself that you can move forward.
So, here is exactly what you need to do. I am giving you a clear and immediate command. You are going to achieve one small financial victory today, just one. I do not want you to worry about your 5-year plan. I do not want you to stress about the massive mountain of debt or the giant savings target. Put all of that out of your mind right now. Today, your only job is to find a small win. Find just $5 and transfer it to a savings account. Log into your phone and cancel one single unused subscription. Take $10 and make one extra payment on a small debt. Just do one thing today. And then, and this is the most critical part of the process, you must celebrate it. Acknowledge what you just did. Say out loud, I am someone who takes control of my money. Celebrating that small win rewires your brain. It reinforces your new identity and builds the momentum you have been desperately searching for.
But hear my warning and listen closely. If you choose to ignore this, if you sit back and wait for the perfect conditions to start, you are walking straight into a trap. If you wait for that magical day when you suddenly feel overwhelmed with motivation, or when you finally get a massive pay raise, you will stay exactly where you are right now. Without these small, intentional wins, you will remain stuck. The overwhelming pressure will slowly turn into silent apathy. You will grow frustrated, and eventually you will abandon your goals altogether. Years will slip through your fingers, and you will wake up one day staring at an unfulfilled financial future, carrying the bitter burden of regret. Thank you for listening. If this message resonated with you, subscribe for more content to help you build a life of intention and power. And more importantly, go grab that notebook. Your new story starts now.
If this message feels like it hit home, that's no accident. It's your inner voice calling for change. And here's the truth, staying the same won't get you anywhere new, but taking action will. That's exactly why thousands of people just like you have already broken free from living paycheck to paycheck by following a simple, proven blueprint. You don't need special skills, you don't need a second job. What you need is the right system, and it's already helping over 55,000 members build real financial freedom. So, here's your choice. Close this video and go back to business as usual, or click the link below and take your first step towards stability, freedom, and the life you know you're meant to live. The opportunity is here. The question is, are you ready to take it?